Meghalaya's Health Minister, James Sangma on Tuesday, inaugurated the Paediatric Intensive Care Unit at the Ganesh Hospital, Shillong.
In Ganesh Hospital for having a PICU here at Ganesh Hospital, and as was mentioned by Mr. Sampath, Kumar, the 8 others which will follow very soon. So these are just indicators of how important it was to have a pediatric ICU, and today it is indeed, as we celebrate 50 years of our statehood, to be inaugurating this pediatric ICU. I think it is very, very symbolic, it's very significant, and the need of the hour that today we are being able to inaugurate this pediatric ICU, and I'm indeed very, very honored and privileged to be the person to inaugurate this. And I thank Mr. Sampath Kumar, who has been instrumental in conceptualizing this and also in pursuing this matter at all fronts, be it the Government of India, and also the entire team led by Dr. War, who have worked tirelessly to make this a reality today. So I think me standing here and delivering my speech would be incomplete without acknowledging the kind of hard work and the dedication of all our officers, Mr. Sampath Kumar, the team, and Dr. War and his team in making this a reality today. So thank you so much to all of them, and it gives me great honor and privilege to dedicate this pediatric ICU to the people of Meghalaya on this proud occasion where we are celebrating 50 years of our statehood. I think